Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Bon Voyage Cruise Travel, your go-to channel for all things cruise related. Buongiorno! Today finds us in Messina, Sicily, and we're about ready to head out to our exciting destination, the spectacular and timeless Taormina. I'm here on the Carnival Pride, about to embark on a 6.5-hour tour to check out what Taormina, this enchanting place in the mountains, has to offer. Join me as we walk through the bustling streets, marvel at the ancient Roman theater, peek into the shops, and indulge in authentic Italian cuisine. Are you ready for this adventure? Let's discover the wonders of Sicily together. I do enjoy taking bus rides out of the port areas.
Taormina!
Ports will offer, or the tours will offer, just a drop off to a destination and then you're free to explore on your own, and those are always desirable to me because I just like to kind of check out things on my own without a big crowd, but yet I can't get to that destination. So this was fun for that reason. It was beautiful scenery driving to and from, lots of hills, green hills, and it just was very mountainous and just gorgeous.
Thank you so much. Antonio, say thank you.
Fun fact, Taormina has a special place in film history. It has scenes from the iconic movie The Godfather Part 2. Those were filmed in the area, and they also have a film festival, one of the oldest in the world. It's a little nerve-wracking to be dropped off in the middle of a city and then not know what there is to see or how to really plan your time. So I have a tendency to kind of hurry through things. I knew there was a Roman theater that I wanted to see, so we started with that. Picture of the city. They're walking down this walking street, and if you go right, you'll see the amphitheater, which is this is what we're looking at here. It's 10 euros to get in. The theater, the ancient Greek theater of Taormina, also known as Teatro Antico di Taormina, is one of the most celebrated ruins in Sicily. Despite its name, it was actually built by the Romans. It's a very, very old amphitheater that looks like they actually use it currently because there's some real seats on it. Also, this is near the Isla Bella, which is a small island and nature reserve, and it's a picturesque spot and known as the Pearl of the Ionian Sea. It's connected to the mainland by a narrow strip of sand, which can be covered or uncovered depending on the tide. This theater is unique because it offers an incredible view of Mount Etna and the Ionian Sea. Mount Etna, Scooty. It's a beautiful hotel here right by the Teatro. I don't know what it looks like inside, but I'm sure it's very nice. The name Taormina is thought to be derived from the ancient Greek tauros, a bull, and menos, to sacrifice, and it's possibly suggesting that the town was originally a place where sacrifices to Zeus were made, since it was originally founded by the Greeks in the 4th century. With every step we encountered charming boutiques, artwork, and enticing food that captured the essence of this vibrant town. We can't resist a little window shopping. We have to buy a souvenir or two.
Non suonare, dica.
And then the highlight of the day, we indulged in the local cuisine. Pretty cakes here. It was authentic, delicious, and sumptuous homemade pasta and veal scallopini. An Italian culinary experience. It was a delightful and satisfying meal. As our culinary experience wrapped up, we rejoined our group. I was really happy to try that cuisine, even though I knew that it fell on a late lunch hour and that would affect my meal in the evening on the ship. But you know, I'm here to try local cuisine, and so I just will bypass the meal on the ship for this. This really was worth it. It was delicious, homemade, very authentic. That was quite a fun place. I would completely recommend doing that. Charming, it's medieval, there's lots of shopping, good food. I wouldn't say the food's necessarily the cheapest, but it was worth going to. Yesterday we were in Catacolan, Greece. The day before Santorini. Today it's Sicily, and tomorrow it's Capri. So make sure you stay tuned for all those videos. I mean, it's not so much about the ship this time as it is about the destinations. Check out my playlist on the Carnival Pride to see everywhere I've gone and maybe what could be helpful for you in your planning. This particular tour costs $69.99 per person. As adults, it's $59.99 for children. So as you can see, Taormina is just full of interesting places and interesting things to see. I love Italy. Their towns are so fascinating to me, but it has been my pleasure showing you around, and if you have gained anything from this, if this has helped you in any way or entertained you, please make sure you hit that thumbs up button. That helps out my channel, and I really appreciate that. And also consider subscribing. I do try to highlight all the places that I go to, whether it's shore excursions or on my own visits, to give you an idea of what to look for and what to look out for and what to expect. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time.